Hello there, photographer Larry Ricker here, aka Nibi Mocs, and where here is Bear Lake State Park, northern Minnesota, a little ways west of Ely. I had to come up to Ely for a couple of different reasons, and who looked for a good campsite it was kind of a last minute decision to come here. Looked around for a campsite to reserve. All the national forest campsites were taken, and there was one open here at Bear Island, or Bear Lake, I mean. I wanted to do 3 nights. The campsite's only open for 2, so I'm not getting quite as long of a stay here as I was hoping. But the good news is I'm staying in a tent and I'm camping. It may not be roughing up. It may not be, it's only car camping. But I'm sleeping in a tent tonight and tomorrow night. And as you can probably see, I have Sam with me. And I was able to get out in the canoe, go paddling this evening. So arrived about 3:30 probably this afternoon. I think that's when that's about when I got here, 3:30. Got all set up. Figured out where things were. Had supper. Then came out on the paddle. So anyway, this video is just going to be a paddling video. It's just me paddling, relaxing, having a good time, enjoying the North Woods. Hopefully I get some photos too. So far I haven't seen anything that's grabbed my artistic eye here, but the light's only just starting to get good. Like I said, I'm going to be staying here tonight and tomorrow night. Tomorrow afternoon I don't have anything currently planned, so as long as the weather holds, there is supposed to be a chance of thunderstorms tomorrow. As long as the weather holds, I should be able to get out and paddle again. So, yeah. Other than the flies, I'm really enjoying myself. A combination of ankle biters and deer flies that are kind of keeping us hopping out here. Other than that, they do allow motorboats on this lake. You're supposed to stay to a 10-mile-an-hour limit, but as far as I know, motorboats don't usually have speedometers, so I don't know how they're supposed to know how fast they're going. But anyway, I've only seen 2 so far in the last hour or so that I've been paddling, so haven't been a big problem. Just have to watch the swells when they do go by. As you can see, it's nice and calm out here, which is partly why the bugs are bugging. If there was a little bit of a breeze, they wouldn't be so bad. And I suppose after sundown, the mosquitoes are going to take over where they left off. So enough of me rambling and waffling and doing what I usually do. I'm going to be quiet now, and I probably won't talk for the rest of the video. Maybe until the very end, when I remind you to subscribe, like, comment, and all the rest of that. So, till then, just enjoy the footage, enjoy the paddling. I know I'm going to. Sadly, weather conditions didn't allow me to do any more paddling during my stay. I did, however, manage to take a few photos. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. See you on the next one.